In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy VWRA on Interactive Brokerage. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Interactive Brokerage like you usually would and log into your account. And once you get inside of your account, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go up to the left hand corner and up to the search bar up here. And then from here, you'll need to click VWRA like so. And as you can see here, it's the value FTSE or USDA right here. But then you can just click on it like so, and then you'll see the chart from 1 week, 1 day, and from minutes down here. From here, you'll just need to go over to the right hand side and go over to the buy order or sell order and go over and click buy order right here. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to click on quantity, and here you can select between the shares and USD, and you can add whether or not it should be a limit, market, or a stop order. From here, you'll also be able to add a limit price and a time in force, and you'll be able to attach orders down here by clicking right here and then add a profit taker and stop loss. From here, once you get all done, you'll need to click submit buy order, and then from here you'll see the order confirmation where you'll need to click transit once you're ready to buy. From here you can see that down here the order submitted and order filled, and from here you'll need to go up to the portfolio tab and see that you have bought X amount of VWRA. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!